Hello YouTubers, Color475 here, and this is the leader of, I guess they're known as the Nomicon? Kulta. Oops. First, his weapon, basically a giant cleaver, axe thingy. But with Kulta, he has, of course, arm movements, even though some of these things are very limited movement. Of course, his ribs, all these parts of the skull spider, which I said is part of it, and this really cool design how they have it like this. This will be played something else. Same with these and these. But first, I'll do the combiner. I had to look up the video because I sucked at this. Rotate his entire head. Oops, don't pop the head off. That's correct. Move these. Stick his arm all the way up. I'll do this and close it like this. Yep. Lay him like this. Pull out his leg. Rotate it, pull this out. Then just do this. Take the armor, take the shoulder piece, and just basically lock into place, which is at times very helpful. No, at times it is very helpful. Do the same, do this. Then take this and put in, and you have a spaceship, what the creator thinks it could be. So I really like it with the whole like all the black seemingly shooting right, all the black's like closed off into the front area. Orange pieces right out the side, though you can still see his head, but still nice opening right here. It's really good. And like I said, these are actually cool, but it's just hard to do. This is like very wobbly. It's like it's only on this joint, so yeah. So this is Kulta, and there's only 2 left until I do Tenua. That'll be screwed for an entire month. I hope you're enjoying these. I'm ending soon. I do still have a little other things I can review, but yeah. As you can see so far, 2 videos a day. I don't want to overexert myself, even though I upload these like in one row. I uploaded 4 yesterday. I made 4 yesterday. Upload 2 today, 2 yesterday, and I'll just continue doing that until I'm good. If you enjoy like this, I'll do just like more of these showing off them instead of like building them. I'll still try to do build the mixels, because yeah, that's like basically the whole point of them. I still got a while to go though. I still have an entire year to go, and the new ones are literally just coming out now. I still have 8 for last year. I already did the no. I saw the 8 for last year and the max for on the last group of Series 3. It's gonna be. I counted. I've made, well, just for last year. I'm not counting the videos for since of this year. I made 69 videos. Wow. Hope you're enjoying these. I know my channel's small, but how about you try to get out there? I try my best to get more people. So enjoy these. Enjoy these. Go to creator's YouTube channel. Build them if you have these sets. Because these are really amazing. So, hope you enjoy. See ya. Adios.